Not every winger or striker gets to say that they had a dream debut, but in the case of 16-year-old Liverpool winger Rio Ngumoa, that won't be the case because he had an absolutely stellar debut, that too at the St. James's Park. This is a Newcastle side that showed a lot of promise last year. The match was tied at 2-2. 100th minute of the match to become just the fourth 16-year-old to go ahead and score a goal like that on your debut is something that he wouldn't have even dreamed of. In fact, that's the only time that amongst those four players as well, the goal proved to be the winning goal as well. There was James Vaughan before that, there was James Milner, and there was Wayne Rooney. No other player was on that list before Ngumoa also entered. But what an elite list to be a part of as well. Just to tell you a bit more, he spent 8 years at Chelsea before joining Liverpool. He was probably given to believe that Liverpool will be the place that will get him some time as far as Premier League game time is concerned. So he waited for a long time, played for the academy at Chelsea, didn't get the time, made the move then to Liverpool in the off season last year, and made a stellar debut for himself as well. He's born to Nigerian parents in London, so he's an Englishman that ways, but an elite list that he now finds himself on with that impressive debut that the 16-year-old made.